So today again we are in factorization, chapter number 13, exercise 13b. We will see question number 8, question number 11, question number 15 and question number 17 one by one. So here we will make group minus x square y minus x as one of the group and plus 3xy plus 3 as one of the group. Between these two, minus x is common, we'll take minus x as common. So out of 1x is taken, so it will be xy, it will be plus 1. Minus minus plus 1. And then we'll take 3 as common, it will be xy plus 1. 3 will cancel 3 one time. So now between them, xy plus 1 is common. So we have taken x plus y plus 1. This will be minus x plus 3. We'll arrange in proper manner and this one will be represented as 3 minus x. So now we are in question number 11. So to solve it, first we'll expand it. So it will be x square minus a into x is ax, minus minus plus 3 into x is 3x, then minus 3. Now we'll rearrange. X square and 3x will arrange together, ax and 3 will arrange together. X square plus 3x, then this minus ax, then minus 3. Between these two, we'll see common, x is common. So x is taken common, so it will be x plus 3. And here what is common? A is common to both. So it is a, it is x minus minus, it is plus 3. So one of the factor is x plus 3. And the other factor is x minus a. This will be your answer part. So we are in question number 15 now. Same way like this, we will expand it. So it will be a square into c a square c, b square into c is b square c, plus b square into a is b square a, and minus c square a into c square. This one and this one will write together as a group. So a square c and this c square a will make a group, minus this b square c and bracket, since we are putting bracket, so plus it will become minus b square a. Here between these two we will take AC as common, so this will give you a. From AC here we will take, then it will give you c, minus, we will find that b square is common here, b square is common here. So b square is taken common, so it will be c minus a. It is a minus c, it is c minus a. So what we will do next step? Write AC, a minus c. Here this sign will change to a minus c. So what will happen? This minus sign will become plus. So two factors are, first factor is a minus c and second factor is ac plus b square. Now we are coming to question number 17. This is AB c plus d square, and between here we will take CD as common. So nothing will come out. So what we will do? First we will expand it. AB into c square, AB into d square, minus a square into CD, minus b square into CD. Now what we will do? It is ABC, it is b square CD. We will make any of the group like AB c square and a square CD. We will make a group, plus AB d square and b square CD will make a group. And now we'll search common factors among them. A is present here, A is present here, B is not present here, C is present here. So AC will be taken as common. So if AC is taken from here, so one of the B will be left, and out of 2C, one C will be left. From here AC is taken common, so one of the A will be left, C has gone, so D will be left. Similarly, we'll check here. A is common, no. B is common, yes, B is common, and D is common. So we'll take BD as common. So B and D is taken, so A and D will be left. Minus, again B and D is common, so B and C will be left. Now we have to do a rearrangement. AC BC minus AD. See, its sign is AD minus BC. It is BC minus AD. So we'll change it. We'll change it to BC minus AD. So what will happen? This plus sign will change to minus. So now BC minus AD here, BC minus AD here. BC minus AD as one of the factor, and second factor will be AC minus BD. And your result has come out. Okay. So in question number 19 we have AX plus 2BX plus 3CX minus 3A minus 6B minus 9C. We will make group. We will make group of this one and this one together, this one and this one together, and this one and this one together. So at first we'll write AX minus 3A one group, 2BX minus 6B another group, and 3CX minus 9C one group. So between here we'll take A as common, so it will be X minus 3. Here we'll take 2B as common, so X will be left, 2 3 is 6B minus 3. And here we'll take 3C as common, so it will be X minus 3. So X minus 3, X minus 3 and X minus 3. Common to all, this will give you A, this will give you 2B, and this will give you 3C. This will be your answer. So now we are in question number 20. 2AB square C minus 2A minus plus 3BQC minus 3B minus 4B square C square. 6 terms are there. We'll make group. Here no interchange of places there. Directly we'll make group of this one. Like here, we'll make one group. We'll make another group. Minus will make one group. So we'll put the values. It will be 2AB square C minus 2A. Same thing copied, 3B square C minus 3B minus 4B square C square minus plus it will be minus 4C. Now take common. Here 2A is common, 2A is common. So take 2A as common. So it will be B square C minus 1 because 2A has taken. Here we'll take 3B as common. So 3B taken, so it will be, it is 3BQC. It will be B square C minus 1 again. And here we'll take 4C as common, 4 and 1C. So it will be again, 1B has gone, so B, it is B square C. It is B square C square. Maybe while writing I have written the answer. B square C. 4C we have taken. So it is B square C minus 1. So B square C and B square C is common. So we'll take out B square C minus 1 as common. So this will give you 2A, this will give you 3B, and this one give you 4C. This will be your